The next part is transformation of your general equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0 into intercept form. What was your intercept form? X upon x intercept plus y upon y intercept equals to 1. What you have to do is, step 1, bring the constant term to right hand side. Step 2, divide the whole equation by constant term so as to get 1 in the right hand side. Step 3, make coefficient of x in numerator, coefficient of x and y in numerator equals to 1. These are the 3 steps. What we are saying is, if you are given a general equation, bring your constant term to the right side, ax plus by. If it is already given on the right side, then you don't have to do anything. Then get rid of this minus c, that is the constant part. Divide the whole equation by minus c, that is both sides. What we intend to do is to bring 1 on the right hand side. Now make the coefficient of x 1 in the numerator, that is get rid of this a and b. How can we get rid of this? By taking this in the denominator. What we get is x upon minus c by a plus y upon minus c upon b equals to 1. Now if you compare with your intercept form, this becomes your x intercept and this becomes your y intercept. And make sure, important thing, the sign between x and y should be positive. 4th point we can add, make sure the sign between x and y is positive. Now this also gives us a method to find out the x-intercept and y-intercept straight away. If your equation is ax plus by plus c equals 0, make sure all the terms are on the right, on one side. The x-intercept kaise aayega? X-intercept would be straight away minus c upon a, and this is what? Minus constant upon the coefficient of x. And what is y-intercept? Y-intercept would be minus c upon b, which is what? Minus constant part of your equation upon coefficient of y. This will straight away give you the x-intercept and y-intercept. Another way of finding x-intercept or y-intercept is put y equals to 0 in the equation. And in this case, put x is equal to 0 in the equation. Because x-intercept is the point where your line cuts the x-axis, and at that point y-coordinate is 0. Similarly, for y-intercept, you need the point where the line cuts the y-axis, and on the y-axis x-coordinate is 0. Now if you see, if you put y equals to 0 in your equation, what do you get? Ax plus c is equal to 0, therefore what is x? X is minus c by. Similarly, if you put x is equal to 0, what do you get? By plus c equals to 0. What do you get? Minus c by b. This is giving this is giving the y-intercept. And what is this? This is your x-intercept. So either way you can find out the x and y-intercept. The easiest method is put x equals to 0 to get y-intercept, put y equals to 0 to get the x-intercept. And if you can remember the formula, minus constant upon coefficient of x is the x-intercept, minus constant upon coefficient of y is your y-intercept. Let's take an example on this. Let's say we have 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. So the first thing is bring all the terms to the one side. Therefore we have 3x plus 4y minus 12 equals to 0. And if we want to find out the x-intercept, what was our formula? Minus constant upon coefficient of x. What is constant? Minus constant part is minus 12. And what is coefficient of x? 3. So therefore plus this gives you your x-intercept is 4. Similarly, what is your y-intercept? Y-intercept is minus constant upon coefficient of y. Therefore minus of minus 12, what is coefficient of y? 4. So therefore you get 3. This is one way of getting the answer. Now another way is, what we do is 3x plus 4y is equal to 12 is on the right side. We'll divide by 12 throughout to get 1 on the right hand side. This and this goes 3x upon 12 plus 4y upon 12 equals to 1. 3 1s are 3 4s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. Therefore what do you get? X upon 4 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1. Therefore if you can compare your equation with your standard form, x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1, what is your x-intercept? 4. And what is your y-intercept? 3, which we have already got if we can remember the formula. We don't have to do all this stuff. I hope you have understood the question.